Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a meeting in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically meetings means like voice calls or video calls on Slack. And that means also huddles. And basically to join a huddle, you will be needing to be already a member of a channel where there is a huddle that is going on. So basically, you will be needing to simply go to any channel that is in your working space. For example, we can go for this agency. Now, all we will be needing to do is to find the huddle button. So here you will have like huddles and it will just show you like all the huddles that are through all the channels, and simply you can go to a specific channel and from there you can go to the huddle. So you will find this already in green, something like that. If it was already in a huddle, that means that already a meeting has been started, etc. And if we go now to the huddles, we will see that there is this huddle that's going on agency. And you can also start like joining huddles like for some specific channels by going to the huddles, and then you can join any meeting that you would like. And by that you will be able to start like uh, going through the meeting, and for each huddle you will have some kind of features that you can try. For example, sharing the screen, and from here you can also start like inviting people to the huddle. You can copy the huddle link if you want to again invite people. You can add a topic to this huddle, like for example projects meeting or whatever, and it will start like having a topic or some kind of title, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.